Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Akshita and you're watching Akshita's Glam. So today's video is about lip scrub DIY. So the DIY means I'm going to show you how can you make a scrub at your home. And the most important thing is it's very important to scrub your lips. The pigmentation, the dryness, the darkness of your lips should be removed. So that for that you have to use this scrub and make your lips pinker, brighter and soft. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. So the three things you have to need for this scrub is first honey, second sugar and third oil. So I have taken honey in the bowl. Now I will add a sugar. I think sugar you can add a little bit and you have to toss it properly. Then it will be taking a scrub texture. Then you apply on your lips. So let's get started with sugar. So I'm taking little sugar, not more, because it's already honey we have used in, and your coconut oil. So I'll add I'll add 1 spoon of coconut oil to make the scrub. For instance, look, you have to toss it properly. Gel structure, it will look like a gel which you can apply to your lips, and it is very useful for you, and it is very, I love this scrub especially because it's very nice. So I'll come. Okay, I'm done with the scrub. You can take a look at the scrub structure. So now I'm gonna take a part, little part, you can see, and now I'll scrub my lips. Done with my scrub and it's really feeling softness. Now after scrubbing it properly, take a tissue paper and rub it properly. You can see the lips, it's very soft and make you feel very good. After scrubbing, put Vaseline, now that's it for the video. So let me know how it is worth it for you, and do try this, and it will be, so please do subscribe, like, and bye. Take care.